Hey guys, good evening. I know it's been quite some time I have vlogged, and importantly, it's been quite about say 4 or 5 weeks since we have even ridden the Sunday rides, etc. So guys, the situation not only in Bangalore but in entire country is it's very bad in terms of way the second wave has been impacting us, and a lot of my uh, colleagues at the office are sick, and they have been at different stages. Some of them are getting treated at home, some of them have been admitted to the hospital, and a lot of and even within the relatives also, uh, my very own uncle is down with COVID, and is being treated in a hospital at this point in time. So yeah guys, the situation is very bad. So I request you all to please take care of yourselves, stay at home as much possible, and if you need to step out, please take all the precautions, and do not be careless for whatsoever. COVID or corona is very real at this point in time. Many of us thought it's not real, but now we see the way it's been impacting people within our lives. It's definitely real, and please stay careful, please stay safe, and if any, god forbid, if you or any of your family members are impacted, please do take care of yourselves, and I wish everybody a speedy recovery. So yeah, so guys, having said that, you know we spoke about the carbon racing handlebar risers, right, last time. So there were two types of risers. One was the inclined angled ones, and one was the straight ones. So based on the recommendation of carbon racing team, the angled ones are more suited for people with height below 5'6", and anybody above 5'6", 5'7", and beyond. The straight ones are suitable. So having ridden Pradeep's bike, where we had installed the straight handlebar risers, I went ahead and ordered myself uh, straight risers from Carbon Racing, and I must say that I was totally surprised with the speed of shipment. It was totally unexpected. I placed an order last Sunday night, and I got this on Tuesday or Wednesday this week. So that's amazing speed. This was shipped via speed post, probably, as you can see, shipped by speed post, and it was quite quick and fast delivery. So amazing stuff. And just opening up the box, although I opened it earlier, so this thing came quite well packed in a sort of you know sponge kind of a material with totally taped, and I'm going to show you what's in there. So I got these two risers. Let me go ahead and show it to you guys. Got this riser, quite I must say that it's extremely well finished and machined product, right? So two of these, and I'm going to install this probably tomorrow morning in the daylight, and I think installation will be very simple, because I just need to loosen the four Allen bolts on which the handlebar is sitting, and then place this way, place it this way on the handlebar yoke, and then place the handlebar back, and then bolts have been provided here. They provided about 4 bolts, Allen bolts again. So I'm not sure what size, but I have the Allen key set, so I'm going to install this tomorrow morning. So yeah, so probably I will show you the video of the installation as well. As part of this video I will plug this in there. So yeah, that's pretty much for now. And guys, I also wanted to let you guys know that, you know, it's been quite some time I've been not able to vlog, but just in case you like to see any vlogs or videos which I can do at home, I'm more than happy to do that. Please let me know in the comments what you like to see in terms of a video or a DIY or any kind of regular maintenance and stuff. So I'll try to accommodate that and try to show you that content. So yeah, that's pretty much I have for now. So soon after this you will have the installation video of the handlebar risers. So let me know in case of any questions. Thank you. And guys, in case you are planning to do a DIY install, so just be very gentle to pull out these you know, sort of rivets or the show buttons which are sitting on the Allen key. So just be very gentle with it, because you need to put it back, right? So don't lose them. So it just snaps off once you put in a flat screwdriver. And there's somebody watching me from the window there. Oops. Alright, and if possible take a very thin flat screwdriver. That will be more easier to do. So I think we need a Allen key for this. Probably it's going to be 6 mm. Yes, there it goes. It is 6 mm. So slowly loosen these bolts, and then we will get to the step where we are going to put the risers right below this and replace with the bolts. We have removed the 4 bolts which are sitting on the handlebar yoke, and handlebar has been lifted up. So let's go ahead and place the risers inside this way. I don't think there is a left and right here, both look very identical. So go place it this way and gently place the handlebar on top of this, and now try to put the bolts back slowly. So once we put a couple of bolts, I think it's going to hold up there and not keep moving around. So hopefully. It's not sitting in at the right place probably. Okay. Mm-hmm. I don't see any of the cables getting pulled. Absolutely nothing. So from that point of view, I think we are good. But for some reason, I feel these bolts should be much longer. Why are they not longer? Is the question. Surprising. They should be much longer actually. It's really strange. I hope they have not sent me shorter bolts. Usually let me try it the other way. I somehow feel these bolts are shorter and should have been much longer. Not sure why. Because when you have your risers right till here, right, these bolts should be longer and coming way below this, which is not the case. If you see, right, it's not showing up here. So there's no way you can get it into the handlebar and tighten it up. So I might have to talk to Carbon Racing and figure out what to do about this. But as of now, it's not happening. So we are going to revert it back. So my doubt came true. So just spoke to Ravi from Carbon Racing, and he just confirmed me that the bolts what was shipped by the team were of wrong size in terms of short length. They should have been much longer, otherwise they wouldn't get till here when you put the handlebar riser. So now reverting back to stock, until he did tell me that the new bolts have been shipped and probably reach me in couple of days. Till then, let's go back to stock and wait for the new bolts to arrive, which is when I'm going to do my install. So yeah, the DIY install is pretty much similar. I'm not going to do another video, but it is straightforward as we saw it. So just the bolts were of short length, that's all. So yeah, so that's pretty much for this point. And yes guys, so putting this back together, and again, definitely want to reiterate, please do stay safe and take care of yourselves, your family members. Do not venture out. And yes, my friend Pradeep has been really longing to go for a ride. I did tell him that, you know, take it easy for another month or so till the trend starts dropping in terms of number of cases. So yeah, that's something in terms of guidance to all. So do take care of yourselves and stay safe, and look forward to talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.